Hello friends, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to speak about hair loss and its remedies. If you like this channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you.
Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Thank you so much for viewing this channel, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon as well. Okay, and this video is mainly with regards to hair. There is lot of issues with regards to hair loss and dandruff on your hair. So what I've tried to create is to create a video with regards to that, and it will be helpful for a lot of people, because for some people it's good if they're bald. For some people it's very good if they have, most of the people it's good if they have hair on their head, right? So, and the look matters, and look does matters. So 90% of the for 90% of the people, it's important for them to have hair on their head. So in order to avoid, so that in order to make sure that they don't have any issues with regards to hair loss or hair loss or dandruff, I have created this video. Okay, and I will show you what needs to be done, what are the things that are required. Okay, so please view this video fully to have have a tremendous knowledge about the same. And this is not only for hair loss, but hair loss and dandruff, but also for your face. Not only, it should not be put on your eyes. The water content that you get should not be, a solution that you get should not be put on your eyes, but you can put it on the other part of the body as well, even down in the private parts as well, because that will make it more cooler. Your body gets more cooler and you'll feel better. Alright, so I'm going to start the procedure. That's it. I'll see you later. These are the two things that are required: the flowers for the shining, and the leaves so that the dandruffs and everything goes on, the hair grows highly as well. The hair will grow more densely. Okay, so these are the two things that are required. Okay, now I will show the next video, wherein I'll combine that video as well, wherein I'll I'll put some water in it, and then I'll grind it. Okay, then it becomes some water like tali. In Malayalam it's called as tali. Okay, we use that, and this is one of the best shampoos. Okay, this is one of the best shampoos. It has proteins and all, and it will have shinings as well. So if you put it in a nice way, your head will get cool. Your head will get cool, and this will lead to dandruff will go as well. Along with that, it will also help in hair growth. Okay, this is what you need to do. And for flowers, flowers are required for shining of your hair as well. Okay, thank you. I will show it to you the next video. When I put water on both of them and I grinded it, looks like that. Okay, so what you should do is, before having a bath, you should put it in the hair for air, and you should rub it on your on the hair, not on the hair actually, not on the head actually. Okay, you should rub it on the entire part of the head where you want the hair to happen, where you want the hair to be dense. Okay, everywhere you just rub it. Okay, and do a massage. Okay, once you do a massage, after doing the massage, you'll feel little cooler, and keep on doing massage for at least 5 minutes. Okay, after doing that, you can have a bath. Once you have a bath, you'll see there's more you'll feel more cooler on your head, and that's very good for your head. Your head should not be hot. If your head is cooler, there's a chance that you will get more and more hair. But if your head is hot, okay, hot for whatever be the things, hair dryer or whatever be the case, your hair multiplying capacity will reduce, and that will lead to hair declining, and you will go bald. Okay, so you should understand all these things. First, you should grind all those things, all these three things: flower, the leaves, and put some water, grind it. It becomes a water-like solution. Okay, and before having a bath, you should put it on your head and massage on your entire head back side on your back side of your head and the front side continuously for 5 to 10 minutes. And once you do that, after doing that, wait for few more minutes, 15 minutes more, wait for 5 minutes more. So overall it's an exercise for 15 minutes. Keep on rubbing it hard, so that whatever hair that is already going to fall, it will fall as well, but that will create new it will help the new hair that's going to come. It will help that, and it will be more stronger, and it will straighten even more. Okay, so before so all these things you have to do: 15 minutes exercise, 5 minutes for putting it on the hair, and 5 minutes for massage, and 5 minutes you need to keep it on your head, and after that you need to have a bath. Once you have a bath, you can even put it on your body. Make sure you don't put it on your eyes. It should not go in your eyes. It's just a precaution. Don't let it go in your eyes as well. Okay, don't let that water solution go to your eyes. Close your eyes and do all those things. And if you want, you can put it on other other parts of the body as well to some extent. It falls from your head, right? So you can put it on other parts of the body. It will make your other part of the body as well cool. Okay, so you'll feel very cool and very nice. So these are all the things. These are all the things you have to do. And you'll be asking why can't we use shampoos and all? Shampoo has some artificial chemicals in it as well. All right, and this is very natural. Just imagine before all these shampoos come into existence, what people used to do, and they used to live happier, right? So there are always a natural solution to. You should always find a natural alternative, and you should be happy doing it. Okay, you should always find a natural natural alternative, and be proud of the natural alternative. Put it on your head, and 5 minutes. I'll repeat it once again. 5 minutes you have to put it on your head. Even if you want to put it on your beard, you can do that on the top of the skin as well. Top of the skin to your beard. Even if you want, if once it falls from your hair, it falls on your body. You can put it on the entire part of the body as well, downwards, upwards, wherever you want to put. Okay. Massage for 5 minutes. Keep it on your head for 5 minutes and keep on rubbing it. Okay. And after that, you can start. That's all. This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Thank you so much. Namaste.